Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is Stamp and Die Hard Club time. Now, let me just tell you, you are going to fall in love. Every time I see this stamp set, I just go, oh. And the add-on sets are going to blow your mind. I had a really hard time deciding which was going to be which, but I'm really excited about this one because we needed more, and it goes perfectly with your aprons from last month. You know how I always like everything to go together. I want you to use everything over and over again. So this set screams, I need an apron. Are you ready? Get set. Here it is. It is called Gingerbread Fun. Now, I absolutely love this one because not only does it have a lot of words, it also has a lot of accessories to go with them. So we have a boy and a girl, and lots of little spots if we want to color. But the nice thing is the spots are little, so you could use anything and you don't have to shade because they're so small. Gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes. Have a sweet Christmas. Get it, sweet cookies. Baking spirits bright. Seasoned sweetings. Get it, because sweet. And savor the sweetness of the season. Now, you're getting 2 different candy canes going different ways. You're also getting a Santa hat and a cute little bow that the little boy can wear or the little girl can wear in her hair. Now, Stamp Club members, this is being sent to you automatically. Ken gets up extra early. You want to know what time? 1 a.m. And he gets up and he gets those all into the mail ASAP because we think, hey, the sooner we get them to the post office, the sooner they can get to you. Stamp Club members are getting this stamp set sent to them automatically. If you're in the Stamp and Die Hard Club, meaning you get the stamps, the same stamps, and the dies that match, this is actually our most popular club, by the way, you are going to get the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, when I do the dies, I give you the inside dies and the shadow dies. So you have different options on the way you can cut them out. You also are getting this little extra word, greetings, because I was able to fit it in there. Don't tell anybody, but I fit it in there. Usually I don't give you a word die for in your kit, right? You have little candy canes, you have the bow, you have the Santa hat, and are you ready to see some samples? Because I'm going to knock your socks off. Hang on. Of course, you get the handy dandy postcard that also shows you the add-on items. And can I tell you a little secret about the add-on items? If you get them the first 24 hours they're on the website, not the club items, because those are already being sent to you. The club items are not on flash sale. But the other items, the add-on items that are optional, the first 24 hours, they're on flash sale. And, are you ready for this? If you're a club member, you can get in on the bundle, which is even cheaper than the flash sale prices. So it's our everyday low price, flash sale price, bundle price, and you get the club discount on top of that, and you get to earn your club points. It's like I'm paying you to be my friend. I really am. So here we go. 2 other ideas. Of course, there's tons of ideas on our website. Now, let's look at some samples. And stay tuned for the next video. You have to watch that as well. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button so you get notifications every time we go live and when we release a new video. Check out this one, you guys. Look at how adorable that is on the crisscross card. Look at that little guy. He's holding a candy cane. I absolutely love it. Now, the fun thing to do with these cards is when you put it in the envelope, you're going to spin this a whole bunch of times. See how I'm spinning it a whole bunch of times? You're going to put it in the envelope, and then when the person opens it, watch. Woo, he spins. Isn't that totally adorable? I love that. Let's look at the next one. Look at how cute that is. I absolutely love that. That's using the graceful die also. Love that. Let's get baked. Seasoned sweetings greetings. Love it. I hope you have this one. This is our jar fold it. Absolutely love this one. This is an oldie but a goodie. People love this one. And if you don't have the jar fold it, you need to get it because it's an amazing one. Look how cute it is with those little guys inside. Or you can put them on a mini slimline. Look how cute mini slimlines are. Oh, this is a sneak peek, as a matter of fact. Look how cute that is. Open that up. And then here, that's a full sneak peek. That snuck in. That wasn't supposed to be in this video. And look how cute this one is, though. Those little guys I'm getting hungry. Is your stomach growling? Because mine is. Let me just tell you. Now, stay tuned for the next video. I want to show you all the awesome things that are in there that are optional items. And yes, flash sale, flash sale, flash sale. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.